actually protect. Yes, and look.
She's seriously not happy to be next to Stinky either.
Oh, my God!
Yeah. Oh, shoot. Is it over?
She's got crazy guys.
Okay.
He's going for your bracelet.
This is a king vulture. Now, that's a vulture. He is not happy. Having a little.
It's like he's got my hair down.
And the birds are loose.
They're loose.
Oh, my God. There you go. You've got one. And the other one's going up to the ceiling.
What is the deal with the birds in this lid? This is happening. Ow.
This is not working.
In North America,
Not interested in that.
it's
peeing.
No,
that's not pee.
That's the other end.
Two. I know pee when I see it.
Don't bring him near me.
It was.
it's okay.
Okay.
This is
Urinating. The urinating wolf can go that way.
But why does he smell like the way he smells?
They actually urinate on their hands.
I've kissed a bunch of these.
There you go.
Oh!